This weekend we brought out a 72 Cutlass that we just finished up. We did paint and body, upholstery, new convertible top, blacked out all the trim. The car was originally orange, so the customer picked out a really cool, kind of modern orange, nothing crazy. A little bit of a shimmer without being loud and in your face. We brought out the 65 Mustang behind me and the 51 Ford F1 pickup. The 65 Mustang won an award. It's kind of a because it's neat award. Another shop did most of the build. It was painted. All the body mods were done somewhere else. We basically put the entire car together. We painted all the trim. We did a color change on the interior. It was tan and now it's black. So we did all the plumbing and wiring and trim, door handles, glass, wheels. We've got some nice Shots wheels on there, all the suspension adjustments, and basically we've just been driving it to break it in and tune it and get ready to deliver to the customer. We started this one basically 100% full build. We're on a no limit engineering chassis. We've got a big block 429 FE motor with a 4R70W transmission. We did a custom firewall, custom inner fender panels, a lot of deletes and smooths. We're running no bumpers, roll pan in the back. We did a bunch of custom stuff to the dash where we kind of changed up a few things. And then the main feature of the truck that makes it stand out is this bronze paint, kind of semi-gloss, and really stands out against the burgundy. So we're a dealer for bedwood products. They make probably the highest quality bedwood that we've been able to find. This wood is called Cutlass. We painted the bedwood strips and the wheels and all the trim on this truck to match, so everything's the same color. And this wood is just gorgeous and works really well with the paint.